Hey water signs, my water babies. This is your cosmic weather update for the week of September 7th, 2020. Today we're talking about September 7th, which is today, through September 12th. And at this time, the moon is in Taurus. It's about to head into Gemini. And there's nothing happening in a water sign except for Neptune, which is in Pisces. So thank goddess for that. We've got a little bit of water. But in general, the energy is just really imbalanced, and you may be feeling it as significant pressure. And to me, in the water sign world, it's feeling like it's super unfair. And it's feeling a little bit victim martyrdom to me, okay? So what I was thinking about for water signs was more than one thing. But in terms of, I've been talking about accountability for a really long time. What I'm encouraging water signs to do right now, in particular, I'm thinking of Pisces. Pisces is coming through really strong. To be willing to take radical accountability for your feelings. And I think that you're doing a great job processing and crying. It may feel like there is no time or space for you to emote, and go ahead and reject that. That's not true. You are entitled to your feelings at all times. We all are. It's a birthright. But if you're getting trapped in victimhood or martyrdom, that is not an effective place to be. So there's not a lot of good that's going to come out of that. And to me, that just stinks of something going on. Likely that looks like poor boundaries, okay? So take a look, do some Googling. Learning about strong boundaries at this time is really important with all of the action that's in Capricorn, including the planet Saturn, which has its rings, which are boundaries. You're being forced to learn this, and it hurts if you're not being a willing participant, willing to do your own part of the work, right? So being accountable for your own feelings and understanding that the accountability and the expression of your feelings is what can lead to an effective transformation. The transformation aspect is coming through Pluto in Capricorn as well. So we want to do some deep transforming here and healing of the toxic masculine. It's going to take a long time, but the feminine is already ahead of the game. And one of the really important next steps for the feminine to take is really in being accountable for her feelings. And I am saying feminine in her. We have the feminine in all of us. So this applies to you even if you are in a body that we would ordinarily call male. So this applies to you too. Get out of victimhood. The Virgo energy that's being expressed is so the sun is moving and will be in opposition to Neptune, to your one player on the board, and will be telling you that it is impractical to be having these feelings. Now, if Virgo denies itself or us access to processing and feeling and naming our feelings, what's going to happen is it's going to push us into working beyond when we need a break, and that's going to result in feeling resentment and like the work is always yours and always on your shoulders. And that's a motherfucker that's going to trap you. Do not fall for it. Do not fall for it. Take accountability for your feelings. If you're an adult, make sure that you're taking care of your inner child and not letting them drive. Okay? You got this. I love you. Bye-bye.